The importance of this new truck to the community is it provides additional safety levels for the firefighters, the crews that are going to be responding to the emergencies and helping protect our community. There was a lot of thought and effort put into our Clean Cab initiative, which is part of our cancer preventative program that we have in the fire department. What that means is no more gear, no more turnouts, no more SCBAs will be allowed in the cab. So a very wipeable, cleanable cab on the inside. This compartment is sealed. Our gear, our helmets, anything that's been in a fire that comes out with products of combustion, we'll bag it up and we can stick it in this compartment here. That way our crew compartment is never contaminated with the products of combustion. These black panels that you see along the body, there's two on either side, one forward of the rear dual and one rear of the rear duals. These are our stabilizers, and if we deploy our aerial device, we first have to stabilize the ladder. So these will extend out and they give us a wider footprint to distribute the weight of the truck, making it more stable. And once we do that, we can lift the whole truck up off the ground on a nice stable platform so that we can use our aerial device. A fire truck without a pump and without a tank is nothing new, but a fire truck with no ability to hang your turnouts and your SCBAs in the cab, that's a paradigm shift. That's a new idea that's taken off across the country. And a lot of those efforts, I truly believe, were pioneered here with the Goodyear Fire Department.